Yeah, good evening. You are welcome to Extreme News. Coming to you live from Lagos. My name is Raf Tresvant. Today we've seen what happened at the court when Nnamdi Kanu actually arrives. The High Court at Abuja, sorry. The presiding Chief Justice Omotosho, as we said earlier, a law graduate from LASU, 50 years old law graduate, turned Chief Justice of the Federation from LASU. Then again, Nnamdi Kanu MAZI, a historian, an international lawyer, graduated from various curriculum in the United Kingdom, Britain, being accused of committed a treasonable felony in Nigeria in 2020, 2015, 2016, 2017, 18, 19, 21, 22, 23, 24. Alas, we are here in 2025 because federal government of Nigeria wanted to crucify him previously, those years I aforementioned. But God had it that they could not do so because of the law of the land, the Nigerian Constitution, Nigerian customs and tradition ruling the Nigerian land. That is the full explanation, definition of Nigerian Constitution. Listen and listen good. Let nobody deceive you about Nigerian Constitution definition. It might be flexible, it might be rigid, it might be cemented. But the lucid explanation or definition of Constitution, meaning the customs, culture, and tradition ruling that country. Don't be confused by English language. They've been actually telling us lies many years, using English to confuse black man, but not with black Jews, the Igbos. I'm an Igbo man from Anambra State. You can't use English language to confuse me because it's a mean of communication, contact, discussion. So there's no way you could speak English language, you speak English language, you think you might, convince me into believing errors committed by you. So let us just be very frank to ourselves. Nnamdi Kanu graced the occasion today, and they actually started afresh when KANU'S defensive counsel and the federal government defensive team actually met and began to apologize to themselves, because federal government actually know that Kanu was renditioned illegally from Kenya in 2021 June. Federal government of Nigeria actually know again that have been following Kanu's case since 2015 when an aggrieved enemy of the Igbos, MAZI Muhammad Buhari, an Islamist extremist, won an election illegally, beating or ousting Goodluck Jonathan, a sleeping president, a president that does not know how to wield his strength, his power, vetoed to him, vetoed unto him. That's why he allowed palace coup to take place, because Buhari was there in his own living room, Jonathan was there, Abdulsalam was there, Ibrahim Babangida was there, Obasanjo was there, T.Y. Danjuma was there, Yakub Gowon was there. In 2015, they actually ousted Jonathan out. They forced him out of power. He succumbed because he was not a politician. He actually didn't want problem. He told you actually that blood of innocent Nigeria does not warrant his political ambition. That was why he actually bowed out. And today, what are we saying? They wanted to unalive an Igbo man that came out to agitate for Igbo's nationality emancipation. Biafra is it. What are we saying? Biafra actually commenced. And today, we've seen how far we had gone to actualize sovereign state of Biafra. That's why he came to the court and everybody started apologizing on behalf of NYAKO, started apologizing on behalf of MAZI Nnamdi Kanu legal team. And they now adjourn it until 2nd April, 29th May for the last hearing, when Omotosho, Chief Justice, if not bribed or fed with billions by Tinubu administration, is coming to say sorry to Nnamdi Kanu and took him back, fly him back, take him back, sorry, to Nairobi, Kenya, where they kidnapped him from. Nigerian government during Buhari administration was a kidnapping government, kidnapper government. Tinubu came to actualize it. They are going to deport MAZI Nnamdi Kanu back to Kenya. From there, MAZI Nnamdi Kanu could continue his Biafra agitation. Very soon, Biafra is coming. My brother, don't hate your brother, don't hate fellow man on Africa on the basis of religion. Don't hate Igbo man, don't hate Maasai man, don't hate Swahili's man, don't hate Shui tribe based on their religious approach. Allow everybody to worship his God. If you are God, God of Islam, Allah is the God of the whole universe. Allow him. He should prove himself. If the God of the Jews, the God of the Igbos, the God of Israel, the God of Chui tribe and the Swahilis and Maasai in Kenya is the true God of the whole universe, allow him. Allow this God to prove himself. Islam, Muslims are bent over the years, centuries, to tell the whole world that Muhammad is the true person, an aggrieved prophet that has disallowed, unalived many humans, men in history, ranging from 630 AD till date. People are being disallowed, unalived by the jihadists from Islam. They cannot deny it. Look at what is happening at the axis of Gaza. The Gaza conflict started during a musical festival in Israel. Many people from the axis of Iran, sponsored by Iran government, they call themselves Hamas. They went into Israel, killing people, killing my brothers. I'm a black Jew. The Israelis are my brothers. The Israelites are my brothers. In their large numbers, running vehicles over these Israelites lying on the floor, on the ground. That's why Benjamin Netanyahu, a true man of God, went berserk, making sure that all those Hamas hidden in their various tunnels are smoked out to actually face the Lord. And that was what went on since last year, since 2023, 7th October, 7th October again, 2024, 7th October 2023, 7th October 2024, till date. The conflict is going on. A United Nations has actually aligned with Hamas to crucify Israel, a nation anointed by God, a chosen nation among the nations. Jericho knows we are coming. Walls of Jericho coming down. Down, down, down. All the walls of Jericho are coming down before the trumpet blown as God instructed. I don't know why people are blind on this earth that God of Israel, God of Jacob, is the living God of the whole universe. So that's why I'm telling Nigeria government to allow the Igbos peacefully. Don't confront them. We don't fear anybody. If we come out to confront us, we'll come after you. Forget about Sheikh Gumi. Forget about Sheikh Mamu. Mamu is under the net of FBI that intercepted Mamu on the Cairo airport en route Iran. We have come today to tell the whole world that we are the black Jews and nobody can mess us. We are growing strong. Nigeria cannot stop MAZI Nnamdi Kanu from gaining his freedom. Kanu is coming out. Biafra is being liberated. Declaration of Biafra independence in Lati, faraway Finland, is not a shy play. Supported by Israel, United States, Canada, and rest of the Western countries. Finland, our best ally in 1967. So here comes a man from Biafra of Tresvant, Extreme News. We are marching forward. Igbo land should be free. Biafra should be free. And we actually come out to tell you today that Omotosho justice must actually do the needful. We are coming back 2nd April, 29th May again, respectively, to proving it to the world that MAZI Nnamdi Kanu is innocent as charged. Long live Federal Republic of Biafra. Long live the first black Jewish state on the earth, Biafra. Thank you, Netanyahu. Thank you, Donald Trump. God will bless you, Netanyahu. God will bless you, Donald Trump. Thank you, Elon Musk. Thank you. Highly, many thanks to the Lord God of Israel, the God of the Jews. Salvation cometh from the Jews, not from any other person, not from the Gentiles. Good night.